Hi everyone, welcome back to the e-commerce web project video series. I am Tertiary Alexander from the Java Institute for Advanced Technology in Sri Lanka. In our previous video, we successfully set up the sign-up process with input validations. So today, we are diving into the user sign-in process. So let's jump right in. First thing first, I added IDs to each field in the sign-in box to facilitate easy access. Next, I have created a function for the sign-in button. This function, named sign-in, will capture the values entered by the user in the fields. Moving over to the script.js file, I implemented this function to pass the values to the server side using ajax. Additionally, I have created a file named signinprocess.php to handle the server-side programming, mirroring the process we use for sign-up. Now, let's delve into the signinprocess.php file. Here we begin by starting a session since we'll be using cookies to store user sign-in details. Next, we include the connection.php file to establish a connection with the database. Following this, we employ an if-else-if ladder to perform various validations. Once all validations pass, we execute a search query to retrieve a result set. Then, check if there are any results matching the email and password provided. If a match is found, we echo success. Otherwise, we display an error message. Returning to the client side, we handle the response received. If the response equals success, the user is redirected to the home page. Otherwise, an error message displayed in the message queue. With the coding complete, I test our sign-in process. First, we validate the fields to ensure everything is working correctly. Upon entering the correct email and password, we successfully navigate to the home page. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you now have a clear understanding of the sign-in process. In the next video, I'll be developing the Remembering add-on, which will further enhance our sign-in functionality. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, see you in the next video.